In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix your Terraria game not working either on your PS4 or PS5. So this is what I did myself. I firstly went into settings on my PS5 here, as you can see, but if you have a PS4 you have to do the exact same thing. And then go into users and accounts here, then go into other and then go into restore licenses right here. Then click on Terraria and click on restore right here. I'm just going to close this game real quick. And it's going to now actually restore our license for Terraria. And now when you have done so, you need to go back to this page right here on your settings on your PlayStation, and then you're just going to click on system right here. Then click on system software, and then you need to click on system software update and settings right here, and make sure that this one right here is up to date here, and then update using internet. So if you have the latest update, you can now go back and try once again and see if this solved this issue for you. This solved it for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.